Go ahead. What is it?
A Cardinals!
A Cardinals? You think it's Kurt Warner? You think it's Kurt Warner?
Fitzgerald!
Fitzgerald? That's not Warner, is it?
Larry Fitzgerald.
What do you think about that?
It's pink.
You like it?
I want a Redskins shirt.
What do you think, Em? You gonna wear that?
Yes, on
I
Monday.
need to get me a Redskins shirt.
Look, it's all shiny.
Ooh, I got some of your shit.
You're gonna wear it on Monday, huh?
Yes.
Turn it around. I want to see Fitzgerald.
And
Is
it's
that your-
sitting on the floor.
You don't like that name, do you?
Yes, I do.
What about it? Tell me about it.
So it's Fitzgerald.
It's my favorite name
Why?
because I started liking Fitzgerald in 2002
How come?
because Kayla became my favorite person.
What was her name?
Kayla
Kayla what? Kayla what?
Fitzgerald.
Oh. Hold it up. I want to see it again. Looky there. You'll have to go put it on.